gonna try if I can get far enough away.
Yeah, we'll get a little stuff and then switch back over here.
Just trying. Yeah, you
Spit
got
it
it.
out all over me.
Now harder. There you go. There you got some.
Hey!
Yeah.
All right, you want some more? You ready? Come on!
Put your feet right.
Come on. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, get you this hip. Good boy. All right. You want another sip? You gotta walk to 90.
Go walk to 90, man.
Here, try one more time. Ready?
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
I love caffeine.
There's not any caffeine there. It's like all ice.
He started running.
Okay.
Okay, now, let's go. If you want another sip, come over here. You gotta come over here.
Get your balance.
You want another sip?
Your balance.
I want it.
Woo! Just
You
dove.
gotta jump a little bit. Here, try one more time. Try one more time. Come on.
Okay, get your balance.
Come on.
Get your balance,
Come
baby.
on. You got it. Come on.
You're leaning. You gotta quit leaning.
Jan.
baby.
Come on. Oh, goodness. That's good. That's good. Here. I like this game. I like this game. Come on, buddy. You ready? He's like diving.
He's running.
See if you can send that to me.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure I don't miss the best one or anything.
Alright, let's try. Try one more time. You saw it going?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, hang on.
Alright. This has been a good time. Come on. Oh,
Get your balance, bud.
come on.
You
Chan.
gotta get your balance, baby.
Good. Come on. Yeah. Get pumped. Come on.
Oh, stand up.
Come on. Chan.
He's bending straight at the face.
Chan, look.